We are in Hiroshima Prefecture, actually quite far from Hiroshima itself, the city, in, well, it's supposed to be Onomichi, because the hotel actually has a name, Onomichi, on it, which is a well-known town. Anyways, this is the Bella Vista Spa and Marina Onomichi. There's a lot to say about this place, so I'll take it slow. So Onomichi was a small port town from the old days, and so it's charming. And anyways, before I talk into that, this is the Panorama Terrace Suite. This is a little storage closet, although it's kind of pointless because later I'll show you that there's a real closet elsewhere in this room. Anyway, so this is the Panorama Terrace Suite, 100 square meters, and this is a bathroom, a toilet, and a wash basin. There's actually two of them, so this is kind of a secondary guest one. So again, I just entered the room, guest or secondary or men's bathroom, whatever you want to call it. So this room, the Panorama Terrace Suite, 100 square meters, is the third from the. It's not the highest category room here. It's actually third from the top. The top room is I forgot the name of it. Anyways, it's the Mezzanette Spa Suite, which is 153 square meters. The reason we didn't get that is because we don't like multi-story rooms, or we try to avoid it. Actually, you know what? I don't think it was available when we tried to book it. Anyways, and then there's one just below that and above this category is the Bella Vista Suite, and it's also 100 square meters. The only difference being that, compared to this room, is that they have a bath with a view of the ocean. But anyways, so this is the living area. So Bella Vista was formed 55-ish years ago, and but actually, this building was made about that long ago, but it was used as kind of a house during the boom times of Japan. Before the bubble, a lot of companies built luxurious guest houses for visitors to their company and to provide a place for them to stay. And one company actually did that. Similar to Seto Retreat Aonagi, which I have a different video of, that was created by the famous architect Tadao Ando. Anyway, so this was turned into a resort about 15 years ago. So it's not brand spanking new. It's not super fresh, but it's not worn out either. Anyways, this is more of a hotel than a ryokan. Shoes don't come off until you get to the room, and then at that point you're supposed to, although I guess you can keep them on if you fancy that. And the other thing is that so it's more of a hotel than a ryokan. There's a gym, there's a spa, there's a pool. Although the pool's really only usable in the summer. In fact, I don't think it operates at any other time other than summer. So I showed you earlier the little entrance closet. You can put your stuff here, and then there's a larger closet here where you can put stuff in. There's me. So while I show you the bathroom, let me explain. So this Bella Vista Resort and Marina Onomichi. Onomichi, again, I explained kind of what it's about. There's it's a charming port town. There's really nice views if you go up a ropeway, cable car, up a small hill of the Seto Inland Sea. But But actually, this place, even though it has Onomichi in its name, that main kind of center area of Onomichi, it's about 40-minute drive away. Hiroshima is not a tiny prefecture, and it's also doesn't have um, the best. Well, the roads are in good condition, but I guess there's just not as many expressways crisscrossing through the prefecture. Anyway, so it's if you're touring Onomichi, I don't know that this is the place you want to stay. In fact, this place is closer to another kind of similar town called Tomonoura. Um, so this is kind of in the middle of nowhere, except that it does have a nice view. Right now, I don't know how well you can see anything. It's since the sun goes down on the Pacific Ocean, or the Seto Inland Sea, sorry. Um, so in the morning, the sun should be behind us, providing a better view. And then you can see the resort grounds here. There's some rooms over there. So again, a couple other things. So they do provide Western and Japanese meals, both for dinner and breakfast. Um, so the demerit, aside from its location, is that, well, first of all, if you just want to chill out and relax, it's fine. But again, it's not the easiest place to get to. And then secondly, once you're here, the food's good, but you're expecting an onsen, right? If there's a spa in Japan, you expect onsen. Well, this place doesn't have it. So supposedly about 6-7 years ago, they ran out. And so, the saying goes in Japan, you drill anywhere because it's volcanic, that you'll have hot springs. But I guess it's not as abundant, or it's not a given foregone conclusion that there's onsen anywhere, which I know from experience. So anyways, hopefully the meals are good. We're only staying one night, so it'll be a Western dinner and a Japanese breakfast. So no onsen, and kind of inconvenient location. Anyway, so this is the Bella Vista Resort and Marina Onomichi. It's a nice room. I don't know if there's golf courses or anything around that would give people some activities to do. But if you're in the area, it's probably not a bad choice. Hope you enjoyed.